people of Ukraine, I want you to hear this. I want you to hear it loud and clear. You are not alone. We, as Americans, we stand with you. Regardless of what was said today in the Oval Office, regardless of the beratement that happened that Donald Trump and J.D. Vance did to Zelensky, millions of Americans believe in your fight for freedom. We believe in your resilience. We believe in your courage. We know what you're fighting for. You're fighting for not only peace in Ukraine, but peace from around the world, because if Russia is not stopped now, they will push forward. And we believe and we see the sacrifices you make every single day. The fathers and mothers that are kissing their kids goodbye, not knowing if they'll ever see them again. These families are being torn apart as these men and brothers and boys and sons are going out to put their lives on the line because they know that a life under Russia is not acceptable. These families being torn apart, these innocent lives lost. We know all of this matters. And unfortunately, what happened today was not a way to honor those who've given up their lives to make sure that Ukrainians and us around the world are free. Because in Ukraine, you're fighting not just for your land, but for your freedom. You are fighting for a right to live in peace, something that Russia doesn't want you to have. Despite what some world leaders here in the United States may be saying, America is not just its government. It's its people, and the people stand with you. You've seen the horrible things that Russia have done and are still doing. We remember everything that happened in Bucha, in Mariupol. Remember every town, every village that Russia torched and burnt down to the ground. We are not forgetting this. We are reminded of this every day, and we will not turn our backs on you. Because support for Ukraine is not about politics. It's for standing up what's right. Russia attacked unprovoked. They're taking out civilians every single day. There is absolutely no time frame on earth that a country that is being attacked should be berated in front of millions and millions of people. That's taking the expression, kicking them while they're down, to a whole new level. That said, Ukraine, please stay strong. Keep fighting. We see you, we hear you, and we're never going to stop supporting you.